Hi guys, hope everybody is doing really well today. I may have accidentally been on eBay and typed in too many numbers when bidding and accidentally won stuff again at stupid prices. So without further ado, let's put this on fast forward and get chuffing box open. Now don't forget, put guesses down below what you think I paid for both of these, and I can tell you it wasn't cheap now, it wasn't cheap. eBay's chuffing mental. I'm going to leave these for a minute. I'm just going to pop out, get KFC because I'm a bit hungry. Right guys, so we've been to the wire wheel and it's highlighted all their faults. Right now guys, this one's a bit sticky and it won't open, so I'm giving it good clean out inside with wire brush. And it's still sticky. This wouldn't happen if it was Swedish. Right guys, I found problem. Look, it's lump. Right there. I'm going to take this fibre wheel, sort it out. I hope that wasn't too fast for you to keep up with. Okay, that's first one done. Bottom one's finished, nice and shiny. Now have a look at this one. Not too good, look, pits. I have to take this to fibre wheel, give it polish. Okay, right, that's me back from Mackie D's, very nice. So, oh yeah, I forgot to say, these are very special ones because one's got Jaguar on it and the other's got Daimler. These are from the 1960s. Okay, so now I know my mate Jim would finish these off with a bit of red paint, so we're going to put a little bit of red paint in the diamonds. Now, don't forget to leave a comment down below how much you think I paid for these together and which one you think is the coolest. What I can tell you, give you a little clue to price. They would have cost me less if they'd been solid silver. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.